Hi guys! Today we're going to learn how to isolate colors in Photoshop. Start by choosing Select Color Range. Start sampling all the different values of the color, in this case it's red. After you have the good selection of the color, create a black and white adjustment layer. Invert the layer mask. Start painting everything that should not be red with a white brush. This allows you to clean up the selection. Make sure that any areas look gray and pixelated are brushed over with pure black. Here's the final result. Subscribe for more.